Hi, Assalamu alaikum. Here I am your English calligraphy teacher. Today I will write uppercase character D. It is easy. Okay, here we go. Come on first line, put your pen or marker on first line. Then come to the third line straight in a straight way. Make a little curve like this. Then come back to the first line and make other curve like this. This is uppercase character D. Okay, once again I am telling you, keenly observe it. Come to the first line, then straightly come to the third line, make little curve like this. Then come back to the first line, make other curve like this. So this is uppercase character D. Okay, hope you have learned it. So whatever your experience related to it, please tell me in comment section. I will tell you how to write uppercase character E in next video. Stay tuned. Tata.